So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TranslucentTB not working and having a fatal error. It happened to me after, I believe, a recent update on Windows 11, and here's some methods which can work for you. So first of all, you can go ahead and just try to restart your PC, and after that go ahead and try to launch TranslucentTB. If that will not fix the problem, then you also want to check on your settings for the Windows updates. So if you did an update on Windows like a week ago, you want to go ahead and check for updates. If there's any updates, you want to update them, and after that TranslucentTB may start working. If you don't have any updates available for you, then the last thing you want to do is open up your task manager. And on Task Manager, you want to go ahead and find Windows Explorer, this the file, and then you want to go ahead and restart it. Now, after you have restarted it, you want to go ahead and try to launch TranslucentTB. So let's go ahead and do that. Open it up. And as you can see, it now works. So that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.